So there's this new app that claims to pay its users just for working. Like this app claims that they can be able to count your step and you get rewarded just for working, like doing your physical activities that you do on a normal. And I know you're shocked. I was too. So I got curious, downloaded it, tested it out myself for a week, and honestly, my results shocked me.
And the amazing part is you do not even need PayPal to withdraw. Yes, I use PayPal because I wanted to, but there are other options there that you can actually make use of. No referrals needed, and you do not also need a VPN.
Now, you guys know that I never bring anything here that I've not personally tested. Like, if I've not tested it out, if I've not made a video, I do not post about it. If it's not worth your time, I do not bring it to this channel, period.
So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys the name of this app, which is one. Secondly, how to download and sign up correctly. See, this one really matters. If you know that you want to, actually join this app, I'm going to advise you not to even skip any part of this video so that you can actually understand how this app works correctly and how to sign up. I'm going to show you guys how to allow tracking. Now, what I mean by allow tracking, like I said earlier, this app is an app that pays you to walk, like they count your steps. So you actually need to allow tracking for them to be able to track if you're walking, you understand? And also free tip. This free tip, see, this one now, I'm going to show you guys how and what I did to actually get the coins that they required for the minimum withdrawal, and also how to withdraw. And if you're hearing my voice for the first time, you're welcome to the family. I am Stephanie, and over here I share legit ways on how you can actually earn money online for yourself with just your smartphone. So whether you're a student or you're a stay-at-home mom, basically anybody looking for a way to earn extra income, right, just with your phone, then trust me, you would want to subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell notifications so you do not miss out when I upload new videos on this channel. A quick video disclaimer: this video is for educational review and tutorial purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. I do not guarantee any earnings. Your results will depend on your efforts, your experience on this particular app, as I am only sharing my honest review after testing out this app. It is also important to know that apps can change their rules and regulations at any time. Plus, this app is not a get rich quick scheme. In fact, I do not talk about get rich quick schemes over here on my channel. So please do your personal research before getting started on any app at all. Alright, fam. So once you tap on the link that you're going to be finding in the comment section, right? So I'm going to be leaving the link to this app in the pinned comment section and also in the video description. But if you're coming from my WhatsApp, from my Telegram group or my WhatsApp group, I believe you're going to be finding the link inside of the group. And yeah, that reminds me, if you're looking for extra ways to, like, if you need extra updates on how to make money online, right? So I'm also going to be leaving the link to join my Telegram channel. Over there I drop updates every day on how to make money online, so just check the link and you're going to be finding the both links there. So now you're going to be seeing install instead of open. I already have this app, that's the reason why you're seeing open, but this is going to be showing install. So after installing, let me just go back to the app and show you guys how to sign up correctly. Please do well to make sure that you get your own sign up process very correctly so that you do not make any mistake. So afterwards, this is how you're going to see your own once you're done downloading, right? Now, please make sure that you sign up with Google only. Do not sign up with Facebook, nothing. So once you tap on sign up with Google, they're going to bring out the list of emails that you have on your phone, right? So you just pick the particular one that you want to continue with, you understand? And afterwards they're going to take you to this next interface. Please take note, do not use Facebook, always use Google so that you can always log in, you understand, whenever you want to. Now they will bring out this interface for you. They said impute your friend's invitation code to get 50 coin. Like I said, this app, you are being rewarded in coin. Do you understand? Like their own currency here is coin. So make sure that you see this invitation code now that you're seeing on the screen. Just pause this video, go over to the comment section, then you write out this invitation code and copy it. Do you understand? Make sure that you add this invitation code before you sign up. I'm saying it now. Enter this invitation code before you sign up. Plus, you are also going to be getting 50 coins once you enter a friend's invitation code, right? So once you're done with that, they're going to take you to this next interface. You see, they said congratulations on getting 50 gold coin, right? So you just tap on OK, and then you're going to be inside of the app. You see allow activity, physical activity. Please tap on allow this, you see, and you're going to be here. Alright, fam. So after signing up, you're going to be inside of the app. Now this is my own account, like my main account, you get. Now as you can see this place now that this arrow is pointing at, where you can see close to that coin. Take note, your own account is going to be showing 0 step, because I already have this app, and for today, this is the step that I've taken so far. This is 897 steps. That's what the app could count, or what they counted, right? So that's the reason why you're seeing this. Now, let me start with saying this. The first way to start on this app is by working. Like, if you're kind of person that you're working, maybe you are a 9 to 5 worker, or you go out, basically, in fact, as long as you're working, you get, the more you shake your phone and do stuff like that, the app is going to be counting all of these things as step. So let me just claim it, right? So after claiming this one, like, as you can see that it has been added, you see this place now where the road open, this one that you're seeing open now, you tap on it. Once you sign up, your own is going to be like this. For this daily box, you tap on it to actually claim the coin. But take note that you're going to actually watch ad. Yes, you're going to watch ad first before you claim your bonus for that particular one, right? So let me just tap on it and show you guys how the ad is being displayed, right? So as you can see, yeah, you see now this timer that is counting 41 seconds, 40 seconds, 38 seconds. You're just going to be here, patiently wait for it to like actually read until zero. You understand? Sometimes they might take you to Play Store. You just have to like minimize and come back to the app. Please do well to make your personal research, as I am only sharing what I have experienced from this app. Do well to make your own personal research, as this video is for educational purposes only. So I'm just going to pause this video and continue after the ad is done, so that I can show you guys other things, and then we can continue. All right, so I think, can you see they said 1 point, congratulations on getting good coin. I only got 1 coin. Can you see? Now this is now another proof to tell you that this app is not a get rich quick scheme. Can you see? You just have to tap on claim. This is more like a side hustle app. All right, so now as you can see, the second one again is opened. So basically, how you are going to be getting coin on this app is, the more you work, the more your steps are being counted, and then the coin is going to be showing here, like we saw before. You understand? And after, let's say, in the night, you can just come to the app and claim all of this, your coin reward. And also make sure that you complete, do this, your, here is your daily box. Make sure that you've claimed all of the three coins in the 3 boxes. Do you understand? So that is the first step. All right, so now just in case, when you signed up, okay, let's say when you signed up you did not add invitation code, just tap on that invite. See here where they wrote enter code, you tap on it. As you can see, I signed up using somebody else's invitation link, invitation code. That's why the code is here. But let's say if you sign up with the code that you saw earlier in this video, you're going to be also finding it here to actually confirm that yes, you're under this person. Do you understand? But let's say if your own is empty, do you understand? Just pause this video now, go over to the comment section and type out the exact code that you're seeing in this video. Type it out and you copy it so that you do not miss out, because you're actually going to be getting 50 coin when you add the invitation code. So that is that about that. I believe I've explained how the working and all of that works. And so let me show you guys another way to get coins on this app. So I'm just going to tap on reward. Now once I tap on reward, you're going to see this next interface. So can you see here now the roads games, there is playtime, and there is this one that they wrote to rooks. There is survey, there is CPS survey, and this thermo research, right? So take note, if you're in foreign countries like USA, United Kingdom, Philippines, Canada, and all of these foreign countries, you can also participate in this survey. It's going to benefit you. So see what's going to happen. Let me just tap on this CPS survey and show you guys what I'm talking about. Now look at it. Now they said, unfortunately we couldn't find a survey for your profile, which means because I am in Nigeria, that's the reason why there is no survey available here. Do you understand? Because Nigerians cannot participate in the survey. But don't worry, I'm going to be showing you guys another thing that you can actually do to get coin also. So I'm just going to go back and I'll tap on leave survey. Now see where they wrote playtime. You can also partake on the playtime tax or these tools to actually get your commission. Do you understand? I'm going to advise you not to use VPN for this app, so that your payments might not be taken back from the app. You understand? Just sign up correctly. Now it has opened. As you can see, there is Bible Trivia, there is Million Deal Win. Now take note, all of these things are app. Like, it's actually an app, not like a tax something. Now this is how it works, right? If you tap on this play now, they're going to take you to your Play Store to download the app. Understand? So after downloading the app, now they want to ask you to allow physical tracking, so that they can be tracking the level that you are on that particular app. So the more you play the game from that app that you downloaded from this workbox, I don't know if this makes sense though, you're going to be getting your reward inside of here. Now this one says 22. So you need to, for this Bible trivia now, you need to play the game and get up to level 22 before you can be able to get this 117 coin as a reward. This one is million due. This one is 8. So if you play it up to 8 times, you're going to be getting 128 coin according to the app. Please do well to make your own personal research, as results are not guaranteed. Make your own personal research. This is my own personal research, which I figured out when I signed up for this app, and I also did it to actually confirm that this thing is working. Do you understand? So please make your personal research. So that about this gaming side. You can just like download it, anyone that you want, and I'm going to advise you, please go for the game that you can actually play. If you know how to play block game, I think that there is block game here, you go for block game. If you know how to do this bubble shooter, anyone that you can do, just go for it accordingly, right? So let me just show you guys how to download it. If you tap on anyone like that, see that bubble shooter, they will take you to your Play Store, your App Store, and they will ask you to then install. Now you now have to install it, and after installing, you now download. So you now sign up and start playing the game. So the more your level increase on this particular, on the app, this bubble shooter, you're going to be getting your coin reward here. Can you see? So see, they said verifying installation, but I did not install, so I'm just going to go back and show you guys the other one, which is called Torux, right? So if you cannot be able to access the survey, at least you can do this one. So let me just tap on the Torux and then let's see what we have here. Okay, so let's just wait for it. Okay, this one is more like research. The first two are research. It's also like a kind of survey. Okay, but I believe you cannot also participate in this one. This third one is Cryptomania. This Cryptomania, I think that this thing is an app, because I think I've seen an app like this with this name too, but I don't actually know because I've not done anything from this particular side. I mainly focus on the play phone. Do you understand? So that is just it about this. If you want to get more coin according to the app, right, this is it. Now as at the time of me making this video, all of these ways are ways you can actually get coin from the app, which can be withdrawn according to the app. But take note that apps can change their payment policy at any point in time, right? So do well to always do your personal research before getting started on any app at all. So that is just that about this, and yeah, that is it. So the third tip, which I said that I'm going to be giving you guys a third tip, right? So let me just go back to my homepage. You see where they wrote invite friends, you just have to tap on it, right? So you can also invite your friends. If you have friends you can invite, but inviting friends is not a must, and you do not need to like invite people before you can be able to withdraw. No, it's not a must. So here I see they said get 500 coin. It's not true. Let me even sound this one now as a note of warning. It's not true. Here now that you're saying this, get 500 coin when you refer. It's not true. Right? It is not true. You can be able to get this thing. Now is an estimated coin that you're going to get, not like you're going to get that exact 500 coin. The only thing that can guarantee you getting up to 500 coin according to the app, please do your personal research, is when you like when your friends or when you invite people that are more foreigners, like UK, United States, Canada, Philippines. Do you understand? So but if you have friends from these developed countries, you might tend to get higher referral commission. So that is just it about Workbox. So this is just basically how this app called Workbox works, right? So yeah, what else? Okay, let me show you guys how the app, their withdrawal method works and all of that. So I'm just going to tap on gift. It is gift now, yeah, which is the third button, because there are 3 buttons here: this home page, the reward, and the gift. So let me just tap on gift. You see, for you to be able to redeem, you need 5,000 coin for you to be able to redeem according to this app called Workbox. Now, PayPal is not a must. like I said earlier in the beginning of this video, PayPal is not a must. You can actually use gift card. Do you understand? You can actually use gift card. But now I know that you might be thinking, oh, if I can use gift card, how can I not do it? Because I'm not seeing gift card. See this word icon, you tap on it and change it to United States, and you tap on OK. And then can you see there are now different gift card options here. So you just tap on this word and change it to United States, and you're going to see gift card options. So anyone that you can use, if you want to go for Apple gift card, Google Play, Amazon, Spotify Premium, and all of that, you just go for the one you want, you understand, and then you redeem it. So that is that about this app. Now, as at the time of you making this video, this app is currently paying, but it is not a get rich quick scheme, and results are not guaranteed. So please do well to make your personal research, because I tested out this app first, right, and it worked for me before I made this video. But take note, I believe you guys have already seen that you're getting 1 coin for your daily box for that first one, which means that it's not like a get rich quick scheme. So yeah, that is that about this app called Workbox. If you're going to be trying out this app, let me know in the comments. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your bell notification so you'll be the first person to get notified when I post the next video, because trust me, the next video is going to be one. So yeah, that's that about this. Also, let me know the kind of video that you want me to talk about next, right? Let me know the video that you want me to make next, or the kind of video you want to see next, and I'm going to do that. Don't also forget to tell me where you're watching this video from, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now, my friends.